no, no. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Cat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This time I am reviewing a unit from Alipearl Hair. I would like to thank Alipearl Hair for sending me this unit to review. So let's get into this review. So reminder, everything about this wig will be in my description box below. Shout out to the people that watched my last video and my previous videos in the past. Thank y'all so much for giving me love, giving me support, giving me feedback, giving me critiques. Like, I really appreciate it when you guys comment. Everything is appreciated. The like, subscribing, commenting. Thank y'all so much for supporting my channel. Right now I am cutting the lace. I wanted to actually tweeze a little bit of the hairline, just a little bit. What I really enjoyed about this unit, I love a curly unit. Next time if I do review another curly unit, I want to make sure I am reviewing a shorter unit. I love a long curly wig, but after a while it does get very overwhelming to maintain. I would say that, but I would really love to see this unit in a shorter style. So next time if I have a unit like this or a unit that's a dupe of this, I'm definitely getting something shorter so I can review it. So I am going to be doing a middle part style for this unit. This hair was extremely soft. I had really minimum tangling, minimum shedding with this wig. I am cutting my baby hairs. Y'all will see in a minute why I am so glad I did not cut my baby hairs extremely short, and I'm so glad that I didn't cut them all the way off, because y'all gonna see. Want to make sure I am blending that lace to my complexion of my skin. You don't necessarily have to curl up the baby hairs. You can curl them down. You can do whatever you want. You can do whatever you want when it comes to baby hairs. Okay. Pause right here. I know y'all are peeping what I'm peeping. Y'all can be honest. Y'all can be honest, okay? But I know. I looked at myself. I said, Cat. She said, huh? I said, girl. She said, what? I think you overdid it with the plucking. And I said, girl, you right. But we did solve that at the end, so please keep watching. So obviously all I did was take the baby hairs that I was creating in the middle, and I combined it to the actual hairline of the wig, and I just smoothed it down to give that illusion of a part, and voila, the overplucked wig is no more. So let's get into the pros and the cons. I loved how soft this unit was. I loved that it did not tangle. It was very manageable. Add a little water, a little setting lotion, and the curls will stay, y'all. The con that I have with this unit, okay, maybe I need to word that differently. The con that I had with myself, that I overplucked this wig. But I am happy about the end results. So yeah, the con was me. The con was me. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. So that concludes today's video. Thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
What a day, what a day.